Good morning, my dear students. I hope all are fine. I hope you all are fine, children. Which class this is? This is your maths class. So, again, we have come back and we have to learn the numbers. And last time I have taught you on 23rd. That was which topic was that? 71 to 80 numbers. So first we will revise that number, then we will continue for new topic. Okay, so children, now this time is winter vacation is there. The winter time is going on, and you got the winter vacation. How you all enjoyed? Very well, and you studied also. So children, you have to repeat all the numbers and all whatever I am teaching here. Okay, so that's why I am revising the topic before which I am teaching you, that you have to revise. Then we will start new topic. And wear winter clothes properly because it's too much cold. Take care of yourself and study also. Keep your room warm and nicely, and okay, and wear your slippers and all, socks and all, and keep yourself neat and tidy also. Okay, cut your nails. Okay, so before I start my new topic, we will learn before 71 to 80 numbers which I have taught you. So children, this 71 to 80 numbers, page numbers, we have already done. So 73 you have we have done this, and I have checked also your book. So keep your book neat and tidy also. Okay children? Yes, and do your work up to date. So because after this month, and again your copy and book will, we will collect your book and copies. So those who have not done their homework, please complete your work. Okay, whichever homework and all you have left, their homework you have not done, you have not submitted the copies and all, you have to complete your work. Those who have not done, and then you have to submit in this month, when school will decide to you, when we will tell you, you have to complete your work. Okay, so properly you have to do your work. So you have to repeat this number 71 to 80. So you know children, and down also you can see it is given 71 to 80 numbers missing also. In with that number it is given missing numbers. You all are when I was checking the books, that this line was, some of them you all have left this missing number. So with this full page you have to write, you have to complete this line also. This is called missing numbers of 71 to 80, whatever the numbers are, you have to complete this line also. Okay, down line you have to trace it and you have to complete it. So first we will repeat 71 to 80 numbers. You can see here, with the book also we can repeat, but you will not able to see. So I am writing here on the board, you can see here, and we will repeat it. Okay, so I am writing here 71, and you have to repeat after me. Okay, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and it's 80. 80, 80. Okay, so you have done this number and you have to repeat it after me. Once more we will do. Okay, so you have to repeat after me, and you have to say also. Okay, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 80. Now after 80, which number will come? Yes, this is your new topic will be there. 81. Which number will come? 81. So now after this number we will revise new topic 81 to 90. Okay? 81 to 90 number. Okay? So children, this is our new topic. Topic numbers 81 to 90, and in this page you can see in the book it is given 81 to 90 numbers, and I have written here the date. You have to write the date in the book also and in your classwork copy also, in which copy you are writing your work. So up to date your copy, write homework HW in the book, and classwork will be in your copy. So be ready with your copy, and you have to write in your copy, which how I will repeat, then I will show you how to write in your copy. So first I will rub this and we'll start 81 to 90. Okay. So I will rub this. Now children, after 80, we have to write 81. Okay. So this is your topic 81 to 90, and in your book also you can see page number. This is after 71 to 80, 81 to 90 it is given here. I will show you like this. You can see 81 to 90. This is your homework. Okay, and I will give you in PDF so you can see and write it and complete it, and in with this you have to write this activity also. 81 to 90 you have to, I will show you now. Now first we have to repeat it. So from the book you are not able to see. So big I will write in the board, and you see here I am writing here 81 to 90 number. Okay. So 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. Now the last number is 90, 90. So we have to continue these all numbers like that only. After 90, then next class will come. After 90, I will teach you. Okay. So this way you have to write in the copy. I will show you this copy. You can see. You can see this copy. It is visible for you. Okay. So here I have marked here 3 times 1 and 2, 3. See 1, 2, 3. So this means which I have ticked line, which I have ticked, you have to write in this line. So okay. So it is written here. So mama will write for you here 1 line, and these 3 lines you have to write. Okay. So you have to take your pencil and write it in the copy. And book work you will do at home, homework. That will be for your 1-page homework. Okay. So like this you have to write, and I will show you also how to write. So first you have to, mama will write first line like Miss is written here in your copy, and the one box you have to leave, this 1 line box, and second line you have to use. Okay. Then again you have to leave 1 line, again second line you have to use. I will show you here. So look at the blackboard here. In the board you can see this box you have to leave. you have to not write in this. You have to use next line so that it will look neat and tidy. Okay. So 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Okay, so we have finished this 81 to 90. So this line we have to leave it. This line you have to write it. Same way you have to write in the copy, but in the book you have to full page you have to write. Okay, in the copy. This work is for copy. Now you are writing in the copy. So you have to write in your copy like this. Okay. Again you have to leave one line. Leave this line. Sorry. And again you have to write 81 to 90. So 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 90. So 3 times in your copy you have to write 3 times. Okay. So I have shown you 3 ticks. You can see 3 ticks I have shown you. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 times you have to write. Okay. And neat and tidy. So one line is left here. Again I will write here 81. You have to leave this line. 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 90. Okay children. So this way you have to write in your copy. And this will be your homework, page number 74. This will be your homework 81 to 90. Okay. So we have finished this. Now children, we have to see this numbers. We have to repeat it again and again. Okay. So don't forget to learn. And I have this 81 to 90 before 50 when we have started this. I have that is my mistake. I have not told you to complete this line also. So this line you have to complete this missing numbers also. Down it is given. So I will do for you missing numbers, how to write missing numbers. I will rub this and I will show you how to write missing numbers 81 to okay. So you have finished this line also, and this is it is a activity. So this activity you have to write properly. This activity you are not writing. When I was checking now, it was empty box. Some of them you have done, but some of them you have left this line. So don't left it. This is your activity. Okay. So how we will write? See. First you have to see, I will make the box for you. can see. It's one line only it's given. So you have to write in the book only you have to write, not in the copy. So how you have to write? It is given box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is given like this. You can see in your book. I will show you close by. You can see here like this. You can see this line. Okay. So this line, how you have to fill? It is given. First it is given 81. Okay. But it is written in tracing line. Okay. First it is written like tracing. You have to trace it. Okay. So first I will show you. It is written like tracing, as in like this. ट्रेसिंग मीन्स आपको उसके ऊपर पेंसिल चलाना है पहले. ओके, देन यू हैव टू राइट द नंबर. सो 81, देन वन बॉक्स यू हैव, इट इज लेफ्ट. इट इज रिटन हियर 83. Then again one box is left, 85. Then again one box is left, 87. Okay, then again one box is left, 89. And again one box is left. Now what you have to do, you have to first trace it, the number, and then you will come to know how to write, you have how to fill the missing number. So this is your activity. So first you have to write 81. You have to trace it like this. On the dots you have to just pencil को चलाना है. Okay, so like this you have to complete it. So 81 is I have traced. Now you next number will 82. So you have to write 82 here. Again you have to trace this number 83. So you will come to know the next number automatically. Okay, 81, 82, 83. Which number will come here? 84. So again you have to read it, 81, 82, 83, 84. So that means this number is 85. So you have to trace it. Okay children. Now 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. Which number will come? 86. Okay. You have to trace it. The next number 87. Now 87, 88 you have to write. 88. Now you have to trace it. 89. It is written here. When you will trace it, you will come to know the number 89. Now which number will come? 90. So this line missing activity is completed. Okay. So don't forget to missing activity to write. Okay. Like this also you have to complete it. So children, we have finished this topic, and I'm requesting you, this winter season you have to take care of yourself. Okay, and you have to take soup, गरम सूप पियो. ठीक है, और अच्छे से अपने आप को ढांक के अच्छे से गरम कपड़ा पहन के रहना है. मम्मा जो बोलती है वो सुनना है. Okay, what mama is telling you have to listen for your mummy and daddy, whatever they are telling you. Wear sleeper, wear winter clothes. So don't play here and there, don't touch any dirty things. Okay, so wear nicely, stay healthy, and God bless you all. So take care children. Bye.